Algan, no trading today. You crack me up. You crack me up, Algan. What you think I take a bit? You think I take a loss and then just call it a day from yesterday and just say I'm not trading no more? You guys can hear me, right? Hold on. What the heck? Alright guys, what's up? What's up? I am back and ready to trade. Let's see what we got today. Let's see. I gotta actually no, I don't gotta make no money back, right? I'm good, I'm good. I canceled last 2 days, so now I'm back to break even, so I'm flat. That's all I care about. That's all I care about. So gappers today. I'm gonna put them down, and then I can put my TBLT, and then MITQ. Actually, I went back. MITQ. Hold on. B hat is still up here today. B hat's still up here today. Awesome, 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 possum. 422. All right, so B hat is still up here today, so this could be my opportunity to get back at it. Yesterday it got me. Today I'm gonna get it back. Today I am going to take it down. I do want to try something. I want to unclutter my chart. I want to make it a little bit cleaner and see if I can see stuff a little better. Alright, so B hat's high of 424 now, and this is technically it could still have room to go up. Its all-time high is $8, and it's got pretty good resistance at 5. So 5 could be possible today. 5 could be very possible today. So B hat, I'm gonna put B hat all the way at the bottom here on my watch list, and then once again on my side chart right here, B hat as my number one side stock that I am looking at. So B hats, what else do we got? TBLT is the other one. Looks good too. This looks good too. TBLT also looks pretty good. I like this one as well. TBLT. So TBLT, B hats, and then MITQ is another one. Wow. TBTQ, I have not put any of these resistances today, and whichever one I had this one from previous times, it literally held to the penny. So I'll put an alert on this one just anywhere up here of above VWAP. Good morning, Joey. Good morning, Dark Shader, TS84, Jim, Zach, Rosendo, Blair, Algon, who was waiting for me and thought I wasn't going to trade. What about Muff Beast, whatever that is? Muff Beast knew I was going to be in 5-10 minutes, so appreciate that. Everybody else on YouTube, Jesse, morning. PSNI had a ticker change from GGPI, may get some hypes. Okay, okay. I think somebody had just mentioned that on Tradecaster, so I'll go take a look at it. Let me quickly, briefly. Well, I guess I'll look at that one and then I'll go through the other ones. Good morning, future millionaires. Yeah, I saw that, Blair. I replied back to you. That looks pretty cool. I haven't messed with it, but Do you trade on YouTube every day? It's streaming to YouTube as well. Yeah. So I have a few people watching on YouTube, and then I have you guys over here on Tradecaster. What was that stock that you guys just said? PSNY. PSNY. Okay, this is. Well, I guess this is the highest the stock has now been because it's the first day. 13.15 right there. PSNY. This also looks pretty good. PNSY. This looks good as well. So PSNY. So we got three stocks today, and honestly, I like all three of them so far. All three of these stocks I'm liking so far. No, Inox, is that what you were asking if I stream on YouTube as well? Because yes, I do. Good morning, address. Good morning, Mersa. And good morning to you, No Inox. Yeah, I stream on YouTube right now as well, so I'm trying to just build a lot of people, a lot of followers. So I'm streaming on both for now. But I think my plan is to eventually just fully stream on Tradecast. But that's like half a year to a year from now. So, but we'll see. We'll see what happens. We'll see what happens. We will see what happens. All right. So we got. Let me go back to the ones from yesterday now. So pets was one stock that had a pretty good move yesterday. I didn't trade this one, but let's see if we have any move above $3 and 310, 320 and start holding that. And let me mark my high of 379 and leave that one like that and see if we get a plate on it. Now IoT, this one looks terrible. MSPR, this one looks bad. I don't want to trade that either. Nail, no. SIDU, I thought had a nice move, but 525, I think. Noe, I think Noe was the one that called that 525 and pulled back after that. So no trades on that one. SMFL, cheaper stock. I don't feel like trading that. VRM, this one also was having a pretty nice move yesterday that I did not trade. I'll mark that high. I'll take that alert off way up there. I don't know what that's doing. And then do this. SFT, high 135. I'll put an alert way up here, but probably not going to trigger today, so I'll take it away. Sega thought I had it. Sega, we thought we'd get a nice move tomorrow or yesterday, but we didn't. But I'm gonna put an alert right below 1350 on SIGA on Sega 1350 and see if we touch that. Husa, I don't want to trade Husa anymore. Get that out of here. Kirk, no. BOXD. BOXD sold off pretty bad. CryptoWire, good morning on YouTube, and Triath Trading, good morning, guys. How y'all doing today? How's everybody doing today? How do y'all feel? It's Friday. It is Friday, right? Holy crap! I had to question that. I had to freaking think about that for a second. I just had to think about that. RDHL was one of yesterday's gappers. Didn't do anything, so I'm take that away. FSTX, no. PEV was the one I made a little bit of money on yesterday, right? So I'll keep an alert above right at 750. Blair, that one thing that you figured out, are you gonna try it today and see how it feels? The time and sales, cause I'm kind of curious about that too. I didn't mess with it. I didn't have a chance to, but oh, this is the one that had that ticker change, GGPI. All right, all right. I think I went through all of them, and then I think I mentioned a couple things on all of them. So Ape Trade said I'm sad it's Friday. Hold on, let me go. Let me scroll up. Trying to find that go-to streaming room, and I'm liking your trading and teaching style. Appreciate it. No, Inox, appreciate it. So hopefully you stick around. I don't care if you go and watch somebody else on Tradecaster on YouTube, but you can always come back and pop in here and say hi and trade with us and stuff. So appreciate you staying here. Appreciate you sticking around. Ape Traits Juan, after you go paid service, you should use all your income to hire a developer to make a cheaper version of trade ideas for all us broke bows. Juan, after you go paid service, you should use all your income to hire a developer to make a cheaper version of trade ideas. Hmm. You don't like trade ideas? Or you mean like just for you guys to be able to use it? Because that's all I use. Like literally all that I have on all that you guys have, like my small cap and my large cap, that's all you guys see. So you could just use what I use every morning, and that's exactly what I watch. But I will say some of the times you guys watch some stocks that I hadn't seen or something like that. But yeah, I can look into it. I can look into it. You're satisfied at James Blair, feeling good. Your thoughts on TBLT? I do like TBLT. So TBLT, let's look at it. Oh wait, what did I look at? Oh, 174 was yesterday's close. TBLT is holding VWAP right now, and it's breaking down a little bit. This little downtrend here, but I'll put it like right there. That might have been a spike over it, but we didn't close above it and held it, so I'm gonna put it like that and see if at open we start holding that one. Let's see, 350 could be a nice break of this one. 350, even though 344 is the high, 350 is right above it. So Friday is the worst day of the week for traders, and Monday is the best. Andres also likes TBLT. I have it set at 300 shares or higher right now. I might move it up a bit more, but definitely not past 500 shares or more. Debbie, good morning. Debbie, welcome in, welcome in. Just so we can afford it. Yeah, okay, okay, okay. I see it. Blair, yeah, I was thinking 500 would be a good start. There's already a free scanner similar to Trade Ideas. I feel like a lot of people already have free scanners out there that I have to go and check or just double check or something like that. Cause I mean, Trade Ideas is good and I like it, but yeah, it is like whatever $100 a month, so it's pretty expensive. Agaska's in here, a little late, but you're ready. Well, we got 3 minutes, Agaska, so get your screens ready. What is that one? Charts Watcher. That's the one you're saying, Mira? Yeah, similar to Trade. Okay, I'll have to check it out. I'll have to check it out. All right, so Blair's trying that new time and sales thing, so he'll let us know how it feels. I follow his scanner on YouTube, shows all the same stocks. What YouTube is it? I just always feel like a little risky following just somebody else's, right? Like, what if they just don't do it some days or like miss half the times or something? But I guess they're pretty consistent on it. So I had a scanner from another group, but they're pretty inconsistent. Yep, that's what I was just talking about. The main reason I pay for Trade IDS is to practice any historical day in the simulator. Okay, okay, that's also a good thing. I'm gonna keep that. I'm gonna write that one down. So charts. What was it? Charts Watcher. Charts Watcher. If my pen writes, start writing by the time market opens. Come on. This pen's gonna literally start writing by the time market opens. Oh, there we go. Charts Watcher. All right. So let's see. Agaska, welcome in, Agaska. Isaiah over on YouTube, welcome, welcome. Let's get it today. Let's get it today. BHAT is still on watch today. BHAT is still on watch today. TBLT is also on watch, and then PSNY again, or not again, as well, as well, as well, as well. That's what I meant to say. I meant to say as well, as well. TBLT looking to see if it holds this downtrend. Jofi, good morning.Jesperanza, good morning. Your eyes are on TBLT in opening. Yeah, it just tucked itself back into that little pennant that I got drawn right there. So we'll see, we'll see. PSNY is also near those highs right now. So hold on, let me check something. We got about 30 seconds, a little bit less than 30 seconds for this to start. And I'm actually going to disappear my gappers now so I can see if I can start so you guys can see my time and cells on level 2. So we got 10 seconds. Let's go. TBLT is on watch. We got PS and Y on watch as well. So let's see. So I'm gonna be watching right here on TBLT. I'm watching TBLT for now. TBLT for now, and then PSNY as well. And V hats. PSN PSNY looks like it wants the high first. Yep, this one already ran without us. PSNY looking to see if it holds this move. See if you can get a retest of that 1316. A little bit of a dip. B head is also on a nice little push. About that dip down there on PSNY. See if it recovers a little bit and pulls back up. Which already looks. Bro, come on, man. Why can't I sell? Wait, what's happening? Dude, I can't sell. Guys, what is happening? I cannot sell. Guys, what is happening? And it's falling down like crazy. What is happening? Of course, the one stock it gets like messed with, it just falls. Bro, this is not even funny, man. I cannot close this thing. What in the... TBLT is moving high. I'm gonna watch TBLT real quick. I need to call TD, man. I am not about to lose 3,500 just because of that. And then of course I sell and it comes right back up. I'm calling them already, so. Yes, please. My name is Juan. I'm not doing too good. I had an issue with you guys' platform. A lot of the times I understand when I can't get trades through or out, but this time I even have recorded and I'm pretty sure this is on you guys' fault. And I've had many times before where I call and you guys say they can't do anything, but I mean this is 1000% not my fault and it's on Thinkorswim. I bought into a trade, I closed it out, and like I was clicking sell market, I was clicking flatten, I was clicking sell limit, I was clicking everything, and it just would not sell. My platform was still running, but the Thinkorswim was not sending that order through. And so it just eventually ended up closing on itself, but like 3 minutes later, and it was. I mean, it's a stock that is gapping up today. It's got pretty decent volume, so I know it's not an issue of getting my order through the market. I know it was a Thinkorswim lag in this scenario, and I have it all recorded. But I mean, that trade I'm down $3,400 on just because Thinkorswim did not push it through when I wanted to. Um, Let me check. Where do I look at that? Yeah, I'm streaming to a bunch of people, so I got it blocked. But I'm on my app. I can look it up on my app.
don't think you can find it on the Thinkorswim app, but you can find it on the TD Ameritrade app.
Is this the account number? That's what you need, right? Account number?
Yeah, I need the
All right,
account number.
I got it.
A few quick questions, get you fully verified here.
Is anyone making money on TBLT? Because TBLT is flying, guys, and I have not been able to trade this thing. Oh. Dude, they're saying that I was using options. What? They're saying that I opened shares and instantly tried closing it with options. Guys, I told them I have. Yeah, I told them I have the recording. I told them I can show them proof. I showed them that I didn't switch from options. I didn't switch from active trader. I told them everything and told them I have the recording. So if they need that, I might have to stop the stream, guys, and then just forward them that video because does PSN even have options? Yeah, they do. Dart Trader, I hope, man, but I love TD and I like TD's customer service, but when it comes to this stuff, I've tried before and never gotten a refund, but maybe some of them are my fault. Maybe some of them are like a volume issue or an order issue that I mistyped or something like that. But this one right here, This was not my fault, and this was 100% on TD's fault. It was a glitch of my active trader. Look, you guys can see it right now. Look, I don't use 10, 30, 50, 100, and 200 on my active trader. It keeps glitching from this to what I usually have, and maybe this right here is doing the options. But I never switched it from this to options or from whatever it was. And even now, if you guys see it, it's on 10, right? It'll eventually switch to the actual one that I use, and I don't know how it's doing that. This isn't even. I went back and looked at it, man. I went back and looked at it, and 1,000% is not my fault. This is insane. Alright, so I need to submit the video to them because they still don't believe me because they're idiots. How do I do this though? E. Jordan, what was your trade today? Was it on TBLT? Awesome job, man. Good job, good job. I'm gonna see if I can. Let me see. Yeah, I do. I've had this issue happen probably 3 or 4 times. Another one happened with you guys on stream as well. But I think on those, it might have been half my fault. But this one, I know 1000% it wasn't my fault. So um, if something was to happen here where they don't give me this back, I don't know, I might be looking to switch or something because this is not okay. But we'll see. But now I have to figure out how to record it real quick with you guys here. So I'm gonna click start recording on my stream, guys, and I don't know if it stops streaming or if it records on top of the streaming. So if it ends, you guys know that I'm going to be recording this clip real quick so I can edit it and then send it to them. But if it does stop my recording, guys, if it does stop my recording, just give me 5-10 minutes so I can record it, and then I'll jump back on so you guys we can still keep trading. So, but I'm gonna click start recording now. PSNY looking to see if it holds this move. See if you can get a retest of that 1316. A little bit of a dip. B head is also on a nice little push. About that dip down there on PSNY. See if it recovers a little bit and pulls back up, which already looks. Bro, come on, man. Why can't I sell? Wait, what's happening? Dude, I can't sell. Guys, what is happening? I cannot sell. Guys, what is happening? And it's falling down like crazy. What is happening? Of course, the one stock it gets like messed with, it just falls. Bro, this is not even funny, man. I cannot close this thing. What in the TBLT is moving high. I'm gonna watch TBLT real quick. Alright, so I didn't stop the stream. Just so you know, yeah, I was playing it again. That is funny, man. If they don't give me a refund for this with that video, I swear I will literally talk trash about TD Ameritrade for the rest of my life. I'm gonna go back and on my course say, do not use TD Ameritrade. Stay away from it. I literally just recorded one of those videos not too long ago, and on that video I was like, TD Ameritrade is the best. Their customer service is the best. I love TD Ameritrade, TD Ameritrade, this TD Ameritrade, that TD Ameritrade, what everything, man. Oh my God, that's funny. Yeah, it was a glitch. If you guys see that video too, you guys can go back. Um, Yeah, it glitched. So it was on, and I told them that because when I trade, it's on 500, 1500, 2500, 5K, 10K, and you could see I don't hit any hotkeys on it. I don't click anything like that, and then it switched to 10, 20, 30, 50, like whatever that was. It was something different. Sorry guys, I'm typing the message for them. I'm typing such a long message. Bro, they have to do something. Oh, hold on. I gotta fix all my freaking typos. So, I just got off the phone to your tech support. This is not the first time this happens, and I know 100% this time it was Thinkerson's fault. I traded PNSAY this morning, bought 500. I tried selling as soon as it went red, and the position wouldn't close. I sold market, I sell flatten, tried hotkeys, position would not close, and price is tanking. I got an error saying buying power is low, but I already had 2,500 shares. There's no such thing as not enough buying power when you already have a position open and want to close it. Um, you can also see the active trader window glitch as I am trading. The share settings gets changed without me hitting any hotkeys to do so. I've had issues with orders before, and it may be a wrong order type or liquidity issues, but this right here was not that. This was a glitch on Thinkorswim's end, and I should not be responsible for this. Let me see. I hope you guys understand. I have a lot of accounts with you and stream live while trading on your platform. I'm a big advocate for TD Ameritrade, but this right here is not something I will let it slip away, especially with proof. Oh, frick. Sorry guys, I know you guys are still there and still trading, but obviously I'm trying to fix this. I'm gonna play it again just so I can make sure it's good. Oh, you know what I messed up? Wait, why didn't it record audio? Frick. That is not the right thing I need. Dang it. Well, good thing I double checked, huh? Let's see. Trieth trading over. I guess I'll just update everybody on YouTube and on Tradecaster. So I called them, and they said that when I tried exiting my trade, I was trying to sell options, which is why it wouldn't sell my 2,500 shares that I had going long. I told them that that's not the case. There is no hotkeys showing that I switched from shares to options. There is no hotkeys that shows that I switch my active trader. You can see the active trader glitches on its own. So he was like, just go ahead and send us that video and send it to support chat, and then that way the tech support people there can see it, and then we'll go from there. So I'm gonna do that, but yeah, if this does not get fixed, I'm probably going to have to figure something out because this is not okay. So I'm currently trying to record that video. I think I thought I already recorded it, but it didn't work, and it recorded my actual face too, and I don't want that. I want the face of the video. So I have to do. So I have to go to OBS, and you guys are gonna see me disappear for a second. I have to take off my video. There we go. But also, why didn't the audio record? Alright, I'm gonna try it again, guys. Sorry. For those of you that came in late, no, I haven't taken anything else, Jofi. I've been dealing with this. Obviously, I'm not gonna trade when I have to figure out what's happening. Sorry, guys. I'm gonna have to play it again, so just bear with me. A little bit of a dip. B-head is also on a nice little push. Bought that dip down there on PSNY. See if it recovers a little bit and pulls back up, which already looks. Bro, come on, man. Why can't I sell? Wait, what's happening? Dude, I can't sell. Guys, what is happening? I cannot sell. Guys, what is happening? And it's falling down like crazy. What is happening? Of course, the one stock it gets like messed with, it just falls. Bro, this is not even funny, man. I cannot close this thing. What in the TBLT is moving high. I'm gonna watch TBLT real quick. I need to call TD, man. I am not about to lose 3,500 just because of that. Let me make sure I got that one. Why is it not recording my audio, guys? I don't understand. Do you guys know? I'm sorry, man. I'm sorry, guys. I'm sorry. It's not recording my audio. Oh, wait. Which already looks. Oh, there it is. It did record it. Heh. Bro, come on, man. Why can't I sell? Wait, what? About that dip down there on PSNY. See if it recovers. And I missed a perfectly clean trading on TBLT. Alright, so where did that trim version go? Is it this one? Yeah, it's that one. So back to TD. Should I label the video TD's fault? T- TD. No, TOS glitched. Hey Blair, I saw you took a loss earlier. Don't revenge trade again, man. Don't revenge trade. Keep it small. Keep it small. Keep your emotions in. Don't repeat what happened last time. Oh my god, guys, I can't upload the thing because it's higher than 9 megabytes. How am I supposed to upload that whole clip if it's only a limit of 9 megabytes? What? Bro, 9 megabytes has to be like a 10-second clip. How do you compress videos, guys? TikTok. Bro, if I post it on TikTok, I better get 2 million views and then they'll fix it. I probably will. I probably will. I'll make it into TikTok. So I don't think I can do that because they want it attached to the message, and I can't. I don't know how to compress a video. I mean, I guess I'll freeconvert.com. Guys, thank you guys for helping out as well. So appreciate it. Appreciate it. Do you know what file format I have to put it in for it to be less than 9 megabytes, Mersa? Yeah, so it gives me this. And which one of these would give me the smallest one? I guess let me see what they take. None of these. What they have is freaking pictures. God, guys, I just. Oh, dear Lord, man.
Welcome to TD Ameritrade. For assistance with an existing account, please press 1.
Hey,
To open
Bitmart.
an account or transfer to help us provide you.
Bro, Sean, I am messing with TD today because this is not fun, man. They screwed me over this morning. Dick, I promise you, I'm not usually this quiet and not even have my stock charts open, but I am trying to figure out something real quick. Cause look at this. Lazy trader, I see your comment over on YouTube, man. I don't know, man. I have proof. I have proof this time. It just was not my fault, man. They're trying to give me an email that I can send it to right now, and they can look at it real quick. So, hey, E Jordan, appreciate it, man. Appreciate it. You have a good weekend, man. See you on Monday. I will give you guys updates of what happened. So, and if this really doesn't play out, I might just switch out of TD and go back to either try Lightspeed again or something else. Maybe suck up those commissions, but see if I can get better trades or something. Because yeah, I thought about that too, Dart Trader, but I don't know that they would do something like that. They're giving me an email so that way it goes straight to them and they have it on file. I want them to have it on email or like a support chat. If they have it on YouTube, they'll open it and not have record of it again. I want them to have this video. But guys, I will be posting. I I compressed it and it went down to 20, but I probably will make a TikTok out of it. So once I do, please go and blow it up, guys. That's what I'm saying. So try saying the same thing. Like if this happens, and I've had this happen before with TD Ameritrade where they mess up and I end up losing money because of that. So it might be worth just paying those commissions and not having these issues like that. So I'll see. I'll see. And especially Lightspeed. I know Lightspeed is fast. I tried it that one time. I was getting burned on commissions, but I might go back to Lightspeed and try small share size and then just keep it like that for a little bit until I'm really used to it. But if not, Weeble is another option. I've never really had Weeble or tried Weeble, but 25 megabytes. Okay, so Cobra is just as fast as Lightspeed. Oh, okay, yeah. Cobra. Cobra has a little bit higher commissions though, right? Yeah, I do think Dickerson hurts more than it helps. So you use a free route on Cobra. How the heck? Which one? I didn't know that Cobra had a free route. Tried Trade Station. I've also heard Trade Station. Actually, let's do a poll. Let's do a poll. Oh, but people on YouTube can't do it. I'll see. Bro, their music is so loud and what the heck? It feels like I'm at an orchestra. Dang. Alright, guys, I am sending a poll out. So, hold on. Okay, I'm sending a poll out. People over on YouTube, I want you guys to vote too, and I'll be able to read the I'll be able to read y'all's comments and then put them in. So, over on Tradecaster, go guys, you guys go vote on the poll and see what you guys think. So what is the best broker out there? I got TD, Weeble, Lightspeed, Cobra, Trade Station, Trade Zero, Centerpoint, or other. So okay. People on YouTube, I need you guys to also type it in so I can weigh in those. Looks like so far Cobra 43% with Cobra. Cobra is 44%. Nobody's saying TD now. So Cobra wins it 44%. People on YouTube, you got any answers to put in? So Cobra is gonna win it, and then it's gonna be Weeble, and then Trade Station, Trade Zero, and Lightspeed. Okay. People on YouTube, we got a Weeble on YouTube. So Cobra. No, Enoch said he's leaving Weeble. Yeah, and it actually might be a good thing too, because if I had switched brokers, I might be able to also now start shorting and finding locates and be able to uh to try some of that other side. Stop what you're doing. VRAP is ripping. Holy crap, man. I'm scared it'll keep lagging or something. Let's try it. Buy that dip. Okay, good fill so far. Good fill so far. Actually filled me actually filled me in when I wanted to. Can it actually take me out where I wanted to? I played it with 500 shares. I'm not about to risk this if it actually didn't work. Yeah, I'm here. Yes, I'm here. Sorry. Yeah, I don't think I have any information on there. It's just the trade itself. Okay. She took that long and could not find an email that I can send it to. This is just of where to send it, Jesse, so it's not really the whole talk about the trade and what happened. This is just how can I send my video to you guys because guys, my respect for TD Ameritrade is literally falling as hard as PSNY is falling. Literally, I kid you not, guys. I love TD. I really love TD. I freaking advocate for TD. I have like 4 accounts with TD, and all of a sudden, I hate them. I don't like them. They're garbage. They don't give me a freaking email to send it to. Like, just give me an email address, and they can't. So now they told me just clip the video and upload it as different videos in sections. I could have done that. You just wasted 30 minutes of my trading session because you told me that you would get me an email and it took you 30 minutes to say no. Oh dear lord. So now I have to freaking figure out how to clip it. Let's see, how long is the video? BOXD. 296 is that high though, so. Oh my god, dude. Y'all think a 30-second video is less than 9? After seeing you, I moved to Thinkorswim. Now, where should I go if you leave this platform? I mean, I would think if you trade smaller share sizes, there's no issue. But once you get into that 5, 10K and something happens, then yeah, it's gonna cost you a lot. Um, I've had this probably 3 or 4 times, and honestly, um, the other ones was probably half my fault ish or something like that, like where I clicked the wrong order type. I don't know, just something like that, right? North Cell, I deleted my comment. Difficult to say what really happened there. Wish you all the best. Man, I feel so bad for you, bro. That shitty of them. It is, man. It is. But, I mean, I can't do anything right here. I can't do anything now besides try to freaking split this into like a bajillion different videos and then. At least I didn't have it on my B day. Bro, I would definitely would have pulled my birthday card out. Alright, what was that? Need your compressor thing again, Marsa. What was that video? Zamboni, I just now saw your comment. I do not want to be pessimistic about my concern telling you. I saw that. I agree with you. They've done that card every single time. They've always done that. But this time, I mean, if they don't give me a refund for this time, that might be it. Because it is. I'm trying to find your. Oh, there it is. Okay, so this is 30 seconds. Blair, don't overtrade. Blair, don't overtrade. I literally have to take this video and then cut in 30 seconds and then trim it to 30 seconds, I mean, and then compress each one and see if it's less than 9 megabytes. 34? How did it go up with a shorter video? Guys, I just want to cry now. Oh my gosh, I don't know what to do. How the heck is the tech team on a meeting at 9 in the morning, 10 in the morning? You have to go take a taste. I have trades. Alright, see you, man. I'm gonna call them back and say, I need to talk to the highest person you have available right now.
TD Ameritrade. To help us provide you with the best possible service, please enter your 9-digit TD Ameritrade account number, followed by the pound sign. If you do not know your account number, press the star key. Please enter the social
I'm
security
literally
number
about to
for
just
the
say,
account you are calling about, followed by the pound sign. For quotes, for a stock quote, press 1. For market information, the Dow Jones, 31,303.5605,
bro,
up 626.2. The Nasdaq,
what?
11,004.
It just started giving me the Nasdaq quote.
Provide you with the best possible service. Please enter your 9-digit TD Ameritrade account number, followed by the pound sign. If you do not know your account number, press the star key.
Bro, y'all are about to see me rage.
I'm sorry, but I did not detect
Shut up,
any
dude. I'm
account
typing
number
it.
Please enter your PIN, followed by the pound sign.
Oh my god, man.
For mutual fund trade, press 3. For general questions about your account, please note this call may be monitored and recorded for quality assurance purposes. If you're calling about funds that you recently deposited through ACH, please note these funds have a 4-business day hold for non-marginable products, such as options, futures, and leveraged ETFs. Looks like they kind of advised maybe
So, okay, so
send in a video.
So yes, and then so they told me to do that. I have it all on video. I recorded it, and then they told me to send in a message. So I went in onto TD Ameritrade, composed a message. But you guys have a limit of 9 megabytes. 9 megabytes is a 5 second video. I can't include a 5 second video. It's like about a minute long, 2 minute longs because it wouldn't exit the trade. So I cannot compress it. I've tried trimming it into 5 different clips. I can't do that. I called you guys back and I was on hold for like another 30-40 minutes with this lady saying that she was going to give me an email of the tech support. But for some reason at 10 in the morning they're at a meeting and she couldn't get a hold of them. So I sat there for 40 minutes waiting for her to give me an email. And all she said is go ahead and back and try again and trim it. And I cannot fit this video in here. I need to talk to somebody higher. I need to talk to how do I send this? I need an email for you guys to look at right now and have that video be seen with you guys right now.
Okay. Well, so email size with the secure message center, there's that obviously is unfortunate, but with the standard email, if you send an email directly, it's not going to get to us because it's not a secure coming from a secure server. We do have a third-party platform called MoveIt, MOVEIT, moveit.tvameritrade.com. Let me check the size requirements on that. Do you know what the size of the video is in
Um,
terms of like?
I did it already. I compressed it the full video already, and I think it's like 20 megabytes. I think I have it on higher resolution at like 60 megabytes, but I think I was able to compress it down to 20, which I don't know where it is. Yeah,
Okay.
36.4 is I think what I have.
Okay, so I think it looks like the Move It limit, from what I can see, it looks like it's 50 gigabytes. Um, yeah, 50 GB. So that is the limit there. Um, so I mean, you can send it through that as well,
Okay.
and I can, yeah, so essentially it's just gonna be Move It, MOVEIT, Move It dot tdameritrade.com.
tdameritrade.com.
So while he's getting that set up,
Do I have to?
the one's had this problem a few times now, and he's just. That's a problem for a business.
Yeah, even that, all the people watching me, like, they know that this was not my fault. They know that this is TD Ameritrade's fault, and I mean, I've really sucked up so many losses that I just kind of throw them behind my back. But this should not be okay. And if you guys don't fix this, I mean, I've advocated for you guys all the time. I say TD Ameritrade is the best platform. But if this one does not get fixed, I will take all 3 or 4 of the accounts that I have and go to another broker because this is too much. As far as On this Move It page, it's asking me for a username and a password. Is that the same thing that I log in with?
No, so do you see at the bottom where it says don't have an account, register and send files?
Okay, yeah, I see it. Now this could be any email right now. I don't have to use the same one that, cause
It's yeah, whatever the delivering email is gonna be.
what is y'all's email?
It's gonna be new, N-E-W, like new account,
Uh huh.
um, at tdameritrade.com. So new at tdameritrade.com.
Okay. Now just send it to that same thing at to new dot
Yeah,
td Ameritrade.
correct.
Okay, and this is something you guys are gonna see right away.
I'm gonna have to go in and get it, and then I'm in contact with our trade resolution department right now to see, how where I need to send it once I or they
Is
grab
this
it.
is this something you can do right now? Because I've been dealing this for 2 hours, and I want on the phone somebody to look at the video while I am here. I know you guys have the people to be doing this, so can I please like have somebody look at it?
Yeah, as soon as we get it uploaded, I'll try and get you in touch with our trading resolution team. So give me just a second. I'm getting word from them on what they exactly would like me to do. Um, was the package sent successfully?
It's processing right now. It's about to be done. 99%, 100.
Okay.
Okay, I guess I didn't. I don't know if I typed in everything. I clicked the upload video, and I guess it automatically sent the message. So
Okay. Okay. Let me see if I can pull it here. Give me just a second. What was the email it was sent from?
my email is
That pulled. And then I'll be right back with once I have the video. So give me just one
okay.
moment, please.
Thank you. I appreciate it.
Yep.
Here goes the music again, guys. oh dear Lord, man. Yeah, I'm not gonna hang off the phone until I have somebody that watches that video as they're speaking to me on the phone. So, if they come up with the excuse that it was options and don't return it because it was an option sell, like I will I don't know. Guys, TBLT had a perfect flag pattern to highs like this right here. That was a perfect play. Break of downtrend, you start rallying up, you get a little bit of a flag. Highs right there, 345. I mean, that's about as clean as you can ask for a trade. This halted, resumed lower, and then pushed higher. Wow. Oh, it got halted 3 different times? Oh, yeah, one right here. Oh, and here again. You're right, all 5 minutes. Bro, this music is so loud, man. I think he came in here and posted those few chats and then left. You know how he always does. So I was replying to him on my stream as he was typing that out. But I don't know that he heard or he probably heard and left or something. But Yeah, just bronze. You can make one. You can make one. Here you can go up to setup, application settings, and then hotkeys. And then once you're in here, you go down to active trader, and then so buy market is what I have, sell market is what I have, and then flat position is what I have. So those are the only three I use. Alex Winkler, appreciate that on YouTube, man. Appreciate it. Yeah, that was definitely their fault this time. And if I don't get this back, I will not be staying with them most likely. Like, there's just no way.
Hey Juan, you still there?
Yes, I'm still here.
Hey, thanks for your patience. So we were able to locate the video. We're getting it downloaded and then uploaded to the right spot. And then what I have to do from there is contact our trade resolution via phone, and then I will transfer you over there, and they'll take care of the issue from there.
Okay,
So I
I'll.
just wanted to give you an update on where we were.
Sounds good. I will stay here on the call until that happens.
All right, yep, absolutely. I appreciate it. I'm gonna hop back over, see where they are, and then go from there.
Thank you. Appreciate it. Bro, I think I've been on 3 or 4 phone calls with them today, and they're all like 30 minutes plus. All I can do is just lay here and go to sleep. Oh, I forgot you can't see my camera, guys. Why don't you guys tell me that? I've been chilling here just laying down, taking a nap while they freaking fix my stuff. Wait, which way do I gotta move? I gotta move this way. I gotta just recline my seat and just go to bed to this beautiful song. For real, this is what they're doing on that side. They're like, bro, this idiot ain't getting his money back. We just gotta pretend like we're freaking being responsible. Oh my god, man. No, I'm serious. I got my legs put up. I'm at this point. I probably would have just been like, whatever. I take the loss. But no, 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 no. This is their fault. I'm making them pay for this. I'm gonna make them pay for this. I do have to say they have to get better music. After this, I'm gonna go and get a haircut. Makes me feel better. I love getting haircuts because I always ask them to shampoo my hair afterwards, and they scrub that shampoo themselves, and it just feels amazing. And then they use that special shampoo that makes your head feel like it's freaking like somebody poured mouthwash in your hair, and it's just on fire, but it feels amazing. After that, I'm going to go to PetSmart because I need to buy some food for my zoo. After that, I'm going to come home. I don't even feel like looking at stocks today, so I may not even work on my course. I need a break. If anything, I need to go back and delete that video of the brokers, and on that video to my course that I'm going to sell to 1,000,000 people, I'm going to say, do not get TD Ameritrade, or you will lose money and you will suffer 8 hours on the phone trying to fight it and waste your time, your opportunity time, and lose the trade at the same time because they come up with some BS excuse of why they can't give it back to you. So, no TD Ameritrade. Webull is the way to go. Webull is amazing. After that, I'm going to, let's see. What kind of food should I eat tonight, guys? What do I deserve today? What do I deserve for dinner today? I'm trying to think. Should it be like a quick pick up food and chill at home, watch a show kind of day, or should it be a treat myself for going through all this and go out to eat somewhere? It is Friday. Weekend's tomorrow. What should I do this weekend then, too? Should I go fishing this weekend? Should I go play some pickleball and tennis? I forgot I'm streaming live. What happened, boys? What happened? What happened? Get you some greenies, bro. I think you will be able to rest a lot better if you know you get the money back. I think I said my computer wasn't spec properly. I'll be fishing this weekend. What are you gonna fish for? It depends on the TO. Think or swim outcomes. True, true, true. Dude, I think I'm still unmuted on their chat, on their phone call. They're literally like, have this recorded as well. They see me talking to my 5,000 viewers on Tradecaster and my 4,000 viewers on YouTube that I stream to every day, and that now 10,000 people who actively trade see what downsides of TD Ameritrade is. Now they're seeing how bad TD Ameritrade can be. Look at this cute kitty. I'm sorry, Stormy. I can't get you no treats today. I lost a lot of money. I can't. Bassack. Hey, where do you live again? You could just tell me the state. 'Cause that's all I fish for, too. I love bass fishing. What's your PB, man? Minnesota. Is there a good bass lakes over there? BNTC halted? Oh, wow. That's what I was saying, Jesse. That's what I'm saying. I'm gonna tell him I got 10,000 viewers watching me, and that I'm such an advocate for TD Ameritrade that if I just don't get this money back, I will post a TikTok and it will go viral to millions of viewers. And trust me, your reputation will go down. Bro, I guarantee you, if I was like somebody like Warrior Trading or like Ricky or like Sean or like all these people, and something like this happened and it didn't solve, I'd post it on social media and they would know who I am and they would fix the issue in a heartbeat. There you go, Jess Brown sub BOXT profit $62. Good job, good job. Blair, you gotta control your emotions, Blair. You gotta control your emotions. First of all, Blair, I think you need to downsize again. I think you need to go back and make 10, 30, 40, $50 a day. Why? Because $400 is messing with your emotions. If you lose $10 a day, it's not going to bother you as much, and you have to build that confidence first. Trust me, we've all been there, but it's really the way you handle these things that will make you successful or not. Like even now, I'm down 3,400. I'm upset about the loss. I'm upset about the money and all that stuff. But like, yeah, first of all, it's not my fault. But still, like, I'm not bawling my eyes out, pissed, punching holes in the wall, right? I will be if they don't fix it. But like, you gotta control your emotions and go back down. There's nothing wrong with downsizing. Ape Trade's the same thing. Ape Trade's went down and he's still down there. Well, he left today, the chat already. But he's down there and making 20, 30, $50 a day. But he's doing it consistently. BNTC is unhalted? No, it's not. I missed this trade. This was about as clean of a trade as you can ask for, right here. Maybe a little rip and rip on BNTC. Maybe, maybe. I even probably would have jumped in on this one down here. That first break out of that downtrend. That first break out of that downtrend pattern, right? Good volume, green candle, pull back on the next one. What else could you have asked for right there? Oh, dip and rip. I was like, yeah, you said rip and rip. Okay, guys, come on, man. 34 minutes on this call. I am a multi-millionaire day trader. I make about $1,000 every 10, 20 minutes. I should be adding this time, and you guys should be paying it back. Yep, I'm here.
Hey, my name is Jake. I'm the supervisor from the trade resolution team here at TD Ameritrade.
Okay.
Hey, I understand you had just sent us in a video of the issue you were having with Thinkorswim this morning.
Correct.
I just wanted to let you know that I'm working right now to get that video uploaded on our end here, and then I will take a look at it and see what that issue was.
Okay.
It might take me a couple minutes here just because our email system's a little clunky, just to be honest with you. I just wanted
So
to
is the
get a good number
platform.
just wanted to get a good number from you where I can give you a call back once I watch that video.
I can hold on the call until you get there. I have no rush.
Okay. Sounds good. I'm gonna put you on hold real quick. It might take me a little bit to get this uploaded on my end and watch.
That's fine. I got all day and I need this fixed, so I'll wait for you.
All right. Sounds good. I'll talk to you in a little bit here.
Appreciate it. he said give me a minute. Our inbox is a little glitchy, and all I said was yeah, so is your platform. Bro, I crack myself up, guys. I swear I'm a funny person. I don't know that I am or not because obviously it's myself, but I feel like I'm a funny person, dude. Bro, he said, "Yo, our inbox is a little glitchy." I was like, "Yep, sales your platform," and he laughed. That's another 30-minute wait for sure. For sure, another 30-minute wait. This is like a suspenseful movie at this point. Agaska, Juancho, what's going on? You missed it, man. Look at this trade right here. Look at this trade right here. Look at my P&L. Look at my P&L, Agaska. Oh, yeah. I got you, Agaska. I got you, Agaska. Look at this. Hold on, I got it. This was this morning. This was this. A little bit of a dip. B-head is also on a nice little push. About that dip down there on PSNY. See if it recovers a little bit and pulls back up. Which already looks... Bro, come on, man. Why can't I sell? Wait, what's happening? Dude, I can't sell. Oh, you can't see my video. Guys, what is happening? I cannot sell. Guys, what is happening? And it's falling down like crazy. What is happening? It's just free falling. Of course, the one stock it gets like messed with, it just falls. Bro, this is not even funny, man. I cannot close this thing. We should all email them. Okay. It finally sold right there, just randomly. What in the... Back. That is ridiculous. What that 3.4? 3.422.41. Oh, dude, that sucks. Hope you get it resolved. Dude, this is my fourth time calling, or third time calling. I'm on hold for 40 minutes. The first time I called, they were like, yeah, they messed up. It was, you tried selling options. I'm like, no, I didn't. Like, I have a recording of it. And they were like, all right, send it to me. Then I got back on the phone just to get an email to send it to because I can't put it through the message. And they put me on hold for 30 minutes. And they said, nope, we don't have an email for you. You have to split it up and send it to us. And I called back again, and now I said, I need you guys to give me an email or a way to send it. And I need you guys to watch it right here with me live. So, I'm waiting. Dekram made 1,066. Good job, man. Good job. Good job. Yeah. Is it worth it trying to get 2K back from that trade? What do you mean? I think I actually clicked my my hotkey first. So I tried selling up there, but it pulled down anyways. But still, like it shouldn't be 3.4. That's yes, it's worth to be on the phone. I need him to fix this. I've had this issue before, like 3 or 4 times, and never really gone this far where they're gonna look at a video of it and hopefully try to resolve it. But oh, not a question. Okay. Tell that dude it's 2 hours of his time not worth 3.4K. No, he was saying it. He wasn't asking a question. He was saying that it's worth it. Yeah. I read that wrong too. Yes, you heard. Bro, I hope I get this wrapped up soon too. Bro, it's almost 11 in the morning. Anybody in this chat actually use Lightspeed? Sorry, I'm on your side 100%. Just English. Appreciate it, appreciate it. Yeah, we're all on my side because we all know that that wasn't my problem. But hey, on the other side, this might be the turning point where I switch brokers and now I'm able to short a lot of shares and I'm able to play bigger share size more comfortably and I am able to just do a lot better. I just said that. If it makes you feel any better, I closed all my positions but one, up 1350 today, biggest day in a while. Hey, there we go, there we go. Good job, Jesse, good job. Does Lightspeed have good shorts? Locate shorts? Or do they not have a lot of these penny stocks? Timothy, I am on hold for 44 minutes and 17 seconds. Bro, this music is horrifying. This is the third time I call them back, Timothy, because the first time was just to put their claim, and they're like, no, you tried selling options or whatever. And then the second time is it was they were like, just send it into the message thing, and then a second time I call them and I said I cannot put in the message because you guys have a 9 megabyte limit and only 5 files. So even if I split it, it's not small enough, and I can't put it all in one video because it's not small enough. So I called them and I said I need you guys to give me an email that I can send it to where you guys will see it today. And they put me on hold for 30 minutes just for the lady to come back and say, they're in a meeting, so and I don't have an email for you, so you're gonna have to just chop it up and send it back in different clips. So tried it again, couldn't figure it out, so I called them back and I said, I need somebody to talk to me right now, tell me how and where I can send this, and I want you to watch it as you're talking to me. So the guy is apparently downloading a video that took me 30 seconds to download, and it's taking him 15 minutes to download. I know they got a lot of shorts on Lightspeed, but Bassby over on YouTube saying send the YouTube with timestamps. I want them to have record of it. So if I send them the link to YouTube, they'll open it, watch the video, and then they will never have a record of it, right? But but now they've had it. Now they looked at it. They said they received it. They're downloading it, which is taking them 16 minutes. But still. But I guess this really is gonna determine for a lot of you guys and for me if I want to stick with TD Ameritrade because hope it goes well. You don't deserve this happening to you. Of course, nobody does. Nobody deserves this because this is not on our end. Like, I understand liquidity issues. I understand middleman brokers where it's not direct access routing and maybe it's a split second delay and maybe it's like terrible fills. I understand market orders. I understand price moving too fast. Your stop loss doesn't get triggered. I understand that. I know that. I understand internet issues. I understand like lagging connections. I understand the first 1 minute of market open, and I understand all of these, but I do not understand why Thinkorswim on its own would glitch active trader and switch it to options and not close a trade when I wanted to close it. That I do not understand, and I will not settle for it, you know? BNTC halted again. And it's not even like destroying people. It's just kind of like halting up, halting down. Like this is kind of lower volume, honestly. Well, this one's got 1.8. Never mind. No, 1 million. But all of this, only 20,000, 40,000. Yeah, there's other brokers I'm considering. So, um, Lightspeed is probably my number one choice. I tried Lightspeed like 2 3 months ago, and fills were fast. Fills were fast. I didn't really tweak the limit orders as much as I probably could have back then, and I was on a per trade plan. So every time I buy and I sell, it would charge me a flat fee. And I want to see if Lightspeed with the per share plan is better. So I know that the per trade might be cheaper because if I buy one share or 10,000 shares, it's still going to charge me one, so I can take bigger share sizes more. But the way I trade and I buy and then I take profit, I take profit, I take profit, I take profit. I couldn't do that as much because on that per trade plan, every time I take profit is another $4 a fee. And so if I buy, that's $4. If I sell, that's $4. If I sell $4, if I sell $4, if I sell $4, so it's always taking that. So that's what I was on, and the other one is just the per share, which I'm guessing is as the second you buy, you just get charged a flat fee of whatever that amount is, and then you sell it, it's still that same amount, right? It doesn't charge you twice on that. Josemar Luna on YouTube said, "How much am I up today, bro? You missed all the fun, man. I, I've said it like I've said it like 15 times, but I had a glitch on my Thinkorswim and caused me to be down 3.4k on this trade that I know 1000% was not my fault. So I've been on the phone for like 2 to 3 hours with TD Ameritrade trying to get it resolved. I have proof. I've sent them the video. It was not my fault. They lagged. They glitched, and now I'm seeing if they will give it back. If they don't, I will be probably switching brokers because this has happened before, and they've never refunded it. But this one, I'm not letting it go, and they have the proof of it. So, dude, it doesn't take that long to download a video, man. Oh my god, bro, I feel like they need to pay me at this point. At least I told them that I'm not hanging up because if I wouldn't have hung up, if I would have hung up, they probably would have just taken longer. Now they know that I'm here waiting, and I'm gonna wait. I think I've listened to all the recordings on their voicemail like hold thing that like I've listened to all of their songs. It might be. Bro, by the time they fix this issue, I could have already had my money in another broker, ready to trade. Dude, I'm literally losing my patience. I don't even know what to do, guys. If I actually take this $3.4 thousand loss, it should be. Should I import it to my trader view, or just say no? It wasn't my fault. I didn't take the loss, not import it. Like I don't know. I don't even know what to do. Like yes, I lost the money, so I should be responsible and put it in, but I didn't actually lose the money. It wasn't my fault. I don't want it to mess all my stats and stuff. Like I'm that picky with my stats. Oh, CryptoWire said I want to import it. Will mess with your stats, yeah. Jess Brown said, "Thank you for stopping by. Good job trading today. I think you ended up green on BNTC, right? I don't know how they don't fix it. It's right there, clear as day. Yeah, like that's what I'm saying. Agaska. So they said that when I tried selling, it pushed it as options, but I have my active trader right there open, and I clicked my hotkey, but my hotkey didn't even go through. So I clicked the hotkey like almost up here. It didn't go through. Then I like went over, or I tried again. Then I went over to here because I don't sell with my mouse. I sell with my hotkey. But even that, for a second I was like, maybe I accidentally switched to options with my keys or something. But I looked through my hotkeys, and there's nothing that switches it. And every time you do hit something like that, this pops up, right? Like this, where you switch it, and that didn't show up at all. That didn't show up at all either. So I know I didn't switch it myself, because then I eventually it did sell. So I tried earlier, but I didn't try it with my mouse till later down here. And then I tried it again all through here. I even tried buying again. If you see the video, I was like, what's happening? Like, it wouldn't let me do anything. So I even switched to the buy side and tried buying through that move, see if orders were at least going through. And they weren't. Esperanza, I appreciate it, and I'll keep you posted for sure. I'll keep everybody posted. Guys, it shouldn't take 30 minutes. I looked at the time when he put me on hold again, and it was at 30 minutes. It's at 59 right now. My head is starting to hurt. Did anybody on chat actually use Lightspeed here? Okay, when you try buying, do you know of that little on your order entry at the top right? Doesn't it have a little percentage? Let's say like it says 25, 50, 75, or 100%, something like that. Do you know what I'm talking about or no? Do you know what that means? Because I remember when I had Lightspeed for that 1 week, I tried buying a stock that was very cheap, and I had enough cash in the account to buy it. But they were saying that because that stock was like 50% or 75%, it said that I needed more margin to be able to buy that stock, um, than than just the cash itself. So I wasn't able to buy. It was like a $3 stock, and I wasn't able to buy like 2, 3, 4,000 shares of it, even though I had enough cash. But it just wouldn't let me. Is that true? Have you had a problem where you have enough cash to buy something and they didn't let you? Today you were down 1.7. I got stuck on the haul going down and had to average down. I ended up making 400 5 minutes after I sold the stock. Dang, BNTC. Good job, Josimar Luna. Kind of a close call, but good job. That is the amount of margin equity you need for that stock. Okay, so for example, so can you give me an example? Because it doesn't make sense to me. If I have, let's say, a $40,000 account and I try to buy 10,000 shares of a $3 stock, that's yeah. Give me an example. So you have to have at least 25 cash for a $100 trade. Oh frick. No, okay, so what happened to me is like I had am I live again? I think it glitched for a little bit. Okay, so it's live. So, for example, say I have 40,000 on the account, right? I'm just giving you an example. Say I had 40,000 on the account and I tried buying 10,000 shares of a $3 stock. So that's 30k, right? I have 40k in the account and I'm trying to buy 30k and it wouldn't let me buy 30k even though I had 40k in the account. So I think in your scenario, you're trying to take if you have 25 cash in the account, you're trying to take more than you want, right? So you at least have to have 25% covered. But my scenario was backwards. I was trying to take the small amount with cash, even though I had more. Okay, so let's look at an example. Which ones of these have like a 25 or 50? Yours still should have worked. Yeah, and it didn't let me buy it. That one time I was on Lightspeed, it didn't let me buy that, and I could not buy it. Even though I had more than the cash, I had more in cash than it needed to for that trade, and it still didn't let me buy it. Oh, some brokers have a 10k share limit on a trade. That might have been it. That. Nope. Just another song. It's just another song. I'm so frustrated now, guys. I really do just want to cry now. That might be it. That might be it. Thank you though. Thank you though. So, okay, can you take a look for me, like TBLT, and tell me what the percentage is on TBLT and like on B hat and like BOXD, Reb, like all of these like super common stocks that we've traded today or the last couple days. But so you're saying if I still have enough cash to cover the trade, I shouldn't have a problem, right? TBLT is 100%. So if I have 50K in the account, I could trade. I could buy 50K of TBLT cash. It has to be all cash. It has to be all cash. Okay. I see it. So that makes sense. Thank you for clarifying that. That makes me actually feel a little bit better about going back to Lightspeed. If they do have that 10K shares blocked, because that might have been why I couldn't buy that day. Because I remember that day I tried buying 10K and it didn't fill me in, but that would have been a winner trade. And then I jumped on that trade with like 2,500 shares or 5,000 shares and it bought it. So I thought in my mind it was because of the cash, but in this scenario and what you're telling me is it was probably because of the freaking share size. Hey, thank you, Obscene. No, appreciate you, man. Appreciate giving me all that stuff. So, thank you for doing that for me. Do you like Lightspeed? Are you on the per share or per trade? I thought per trade was better, and when I tried it, I used per trade. But I think the way I trade, where I buy, sell, 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 I think it was accumulating too many commissions that I just didn't like it, and so I took it out per share. I think, yeah. So I thought per trade was better because you can take bigger share size and still get charged the same. But it looks like per share might be the way. So I'll have to try it out. Yeah, appreciate it, man. Appreciate it. Agaska, are you in here? Look at these clear shorts, man. Like, look at these clear shorts. Now I just want to switch. I just want to switch and be able to short, man. Because look at these shorts. Look at B hat short. Break of downtrend, retested, start adding in here. And look at that. You're up $1 a share on that play. You're shorting VRAP. Even VRAP, like up here. Look at this super steep uptrend. The second you break that uptrend, short it. Right here. Magaska, you have Trade Zero, or because you use Thinkorswim for your charting, right? But you do you trade on Trade Zero? And so, oh wait, no, Trade Zero is the ones that do have fees, right? Trade Station is the one that doesn't have fees. I'm on a hold for an hour and 12 minutes. So much for customer service, man. Even if they couldn't fix it and they found an actual problem, you would think they'd at least tried their best to look good, right? Oh, Darth Trader. What, Stormy? For real, the other lady at least was like, just checking in with you, just giving you an update. We're still working on it. Alright, thank you, appreciate it. This guy doesn't even give a crap, man. They have to make sure that this is not the case. Yeah, I understand that, but they have a video, and I've been on hold for since it was 30 minutes, and now it's an hour and 15. It does not take 45 minutes to download a video and to look at a 1 minute video. And from the look of that 1 minute video, I guarantee you they're like, oh my god, he clicked the sell button and it doesn't sell. Oh my god, he clicked sell market, it doesn't sell. Oh my god, he clicked flat and it doesn't sell. Oh my god, he clicked like all of these things, it doesn't sell. Like, this is why I'm saying I've had this issue where like sometimes it didn't sell or liquidity or went through a stop loss before, and it was kind of like market maker or stock issue, not necessarily a broker. But this right here is a thinkorswim problem. But yeah, I get it. I get it. Well, I need to go work, but I feel like I have to see this through with you to resolution. Yep. Bro, I want to get off this call and literally like enjoy my day or do something because it's giving me a headache. I'll keep you guys posted. If you guys end up heading out of here, that's fine with me. Obviously, I'll keep you guys posted and then let you guys know what happened. Yeah, and even that I would understand volatility, but the fact that you see my active trader switch on its own, that right there should give it away. Like volatility, first 2 minutes open, I get it. I play that risk, and I play those odds all the time. I trade 2 3 minutes of open. I understand that, but that trade and the way that active trader switched on its own should just tell them that that was an issue. I know they're just trying to find a reason of why it switched. And honestly, I don't know. Like, I don't know if like $3,500 is like, oh my gosh, we need to find a fix. We can't just get back $3,500, or like literally just be nice. Is you're a giant company, right? Just give this 24-year-old back his 3,500 bucks because we messed up, and just call it a loss. Like to them, it's nothing. Especially with proof, especially with all this. Like most people, oh, that's another thing, Nardo. I guarantee you, 80%, 90% of traders out there don't record their sessions. So when they come in and make a complaint, the first thing that they told me was you tried selling options. At that point, if I didn't have the recording, they would have told me, I'm sorry, we can't do anything about it. This is what we see on our end. You tried selling options, so you didn't close the trade. Period. But because I have the video, and probably 90% of people out there trading with Thinkorswim that have issues and they're reported, they probably don't have videos, right? So I am kind of glad. I'm glad for you guys because I stream for you guys and try to help you guys out. So now, because of that, you guys are helping me out that I have this on video. Bro, I cannot wait so long, man. I need to pee. I'm being so careful with my phone. I don't want to accidentally freaking hit the end button. My phone is going to run out of battery. Remember how remember how it said that I listened to all of their songs that they have on their voicemail thing? I can confirm that because now I've heard all of their songs twice. Trade zero glitched on me a couple of times in the middle of trading. It's so frustrating. Don't use them anymore. Okay, okay, okay. Trade zero. Yeah, I think my options are going to be either Lightspeed, which Lightspeed has a platform already. Centerpoint Securities is other.
Hello, one.
Yes, I'm here.
Hey, thanks so much for your patience, man. Sorry about that.
Yeah, it was a long way, but I'm here.
Hey, so I went ahead and looked at that video. It just took forever to get the video to load. I had to get a different file player loaded onto my computer to play it. But I went ahead and played the video. Yeah, I see exactly what you're talking about there, though. Yeah, for some reason,
That
like right at like 17 seconds into that video, the active trader ladder like flips over to the pricing
of
for those puts that it was sending the orders through on.
correct,
Everything else
and
stays on the stock. For some reason, the pricing flips to those puts there. So yeah, I see what you're saying there.
yep, and yeah,
So what I'm gonna go ahead and do is I did send the video over to one of my tech support guys just to have them look at it as well, to make sure there's nothing I missed there. But as long as they don't find anything else that I wasn't seeing there, I'm gonna go ahead and honor that initial price when that first rejected sell order comes across, which was if you're on Central Time was 8:31 and 21 seconds. And at that time, check what the bid on TSNY was right at that time, 8:31:21.
now I will have to say, well, I guess I don't know if it makes a difference or not, but I did try clicking my hotkey first because I always use my hotkeys. Um, so it didn't even register that first hotkey that I clicked. I don't know if it was because of the options or not because it didn't show it until I clicked it with my mouse on the active trader, but I sell and buy with the hotkeys. So I mean I know that it was a losing trade, which wherever I bought was like 13 something, 13.11, but I'm pretty sure I got out of that trade like somewhere at the 12 nines, like risking 10, 15, 5 cents, and it didn't work, and that's when I looked at my active trader and I used my mouse, and that's when that second order went through way at the bottom of like 12.6, 12.5.
Okay, let me take a look at the timing on this real quick here. You are into the trade at 16 seconds.
Cause let me see too as well. I can look at it as well. Oh, maybe that was the first sell.
Yeah, you know what? Cause yeah, that first projected sell order I have here, when I look at
Uh,
where that sell order attempt came from, it actually does show me that it came from a hotkey, the Shift A key that you have set up for your sell orders there.
okay.
And that would have been
12.
11 seconds after the buy trade. So that times up, I think, pretty precisely with what I see on the video there. And at 8:31, 21 seconds here, the bid is at 12.83. Technically, there's only 600 shares on that bid, but I'm not going to split hairs with you on that. I'm just going to give you the whole price, the whole thing at that price of 12.83 there.
Okay.
So that will take that sell order at 11.81. It'll adjust that price up to 12.83. So that's a correction of a little over $2,500. I think about 2,550 if my math is right there.
Okay. Wait, how much are you saying that loss is actually at? Because even at that price, I'm seeing 800 the second I click that sell.
So you have 25. So you're in at
I'm seeing
13.88.
745 when that. I mean, I'm talking about a few $100s now. I guess it's fine. You can call it that 800 or whatever it is. Um, but yeah, I just wanted to make sure that you guys see that it wasn't my fault this time and that Thinkorswim did glitch.
Yeah, I appreciate you sending that to me because I have no idea what caused that. So I'm gonna have our tech support guys look at that and see what the root issue is there. Because that is such a foreign issue to me. I've honestly never seen that happen before. So I will definitely make sure we get to the bottom of that. Make sure it doesn't happen again.
Okay.
I've got the correction made on my about 20 minutes to flow across on your end. But I can give you my first and last name here so you can reach back out if you have any other issues or any other questions on that.
Okay, what's your name?
My first name is Jake. It's Jake.
Mm-hmm.
My last name is Ice. That's E is in Echo, Y is in Yellow, T is in Tango, and H is in Hotel.
Eth? Eyth?
Yep. Yep, you got it.
Okay. And then, is there a way to reach you personally?
Yeah, I can give you my direct line here.
Go ahead.
I'm at
Okay. Um, does this mean you're for sure refunding that money to the account, or you still have to wait for that other person? Because you mentioned you still are sending it off to somebody else.
I'm going to go ahead and refund that money to the account. I guess I should say I'm about 99% certain. I watched that video 4 or 5 times. I don't think I missed anything. I'm just having one of my tech guys look at it and make sure I'm not missing anything. But I'll give you a call back if there's anything else or I have any other questions there.
Okay.
But otherwise, you should expect to see that money refunded to the account
Uh,
within the hour here.
okay, and then that phone number, it is the one I'm calling from right now, just to make sure, right? My phone number, if you need
Yeah,
help.
make sure I have the one. I'll be the account shortly.
All right, I really appreciate it. So, I mean, this has happened before, and I've fought it 3 or 4 times, and I've lost and just sucked up those losses before because you guys can't do anything. But this one, there was no way that I shouldn't have gotten that money back. So I really appreciate it.
Yeah, absolutely. I appreciate you recording that and sending that to us, man. Hopefully we can get to the bottom of that and make sure we get that issue rooted out there. Thanks so much for your patience again on the phone today.
Yeah, I appreciate it. Thank you.
All right, we'll talk to you later. Have a good rest of your day and have a good weekend.
Yeah, I mean, I appreciate it. You have a good one.
Bye.
Bye. Well, there it is, guys. There it is. I somehow got $2,500, so it looks like I'm locking at a loss of $1,000, which, if I watched the video, I mean, I guess that was right. I thought I clicked it earlier either way, somewhere in this area, but somewhere in the area, but he's saying I didn't click it somewhere in this area, but he said I didn't click it till way down here, which I mean, I guess is still a good move, but oh well. I mean, 2,500 bucks is 2,500 bucks, so I'll take the $1,000 loss and just call it a bad trade. But I don't know, man. At least nice to know that they actually will do something if it really is in their fault, in their process, in their end. They're gonna refund 2,500 bucks, Agaska. So everybody watching, I've been doing this for literally since that trade, which is the first 2 minutes of market open. So it's been 3 hours, 9:30, 10:30, 11. It's been 3 hours since I've been doing this, and yeah, that's nothing for me. But I still feel like $1,000 loss today is just still of a loss for going through all this, right? Because for one, I mean, I saw this trade here on TBLT. And this is textbook material, guys. Like, you have a little flag, a little pennant. You break out of it, market open, right? And then you start accumulate. You start for one, you had a false breakout, right? You suck back in. Then you have a good volume candle, breaks out of that. You have that one micro pullback right there. That's your first entry, right? Holding that pennant breakout, and then you flag right here, make a nice little flag, holding that 9 EMA. You can get in on the break of that flag, which is this candle or this next candle, and you know that highs are right there, so that's 10, 20 cents higher. I mean, and then after that, it broke up to another 70 cents higher. So I know I would have made money on that trade, and I just couldn't do it because I was too busy messing with this crap over here. And I don't know, man, guys, I'm just frustrated. I don't know if I should just completely, even though they got it back, I don't know if I should just completely switch out of TD and stop dealing with this nonsense, or stick around and see if it happens again. But you know, it's been 3 or 4 times, man. Yeah, at least that's something. So, let's see. Come to Trade Zero. Trade Zero is even worse. Yeah, guys, from now on, I do encourage everybody to record your trades. I can show you guys how to do it. It's actually very, very simple, and it doesn't put any stress on your computer. All I would say is record them, and if for one, it helps you to go back and keep track of them, so you can watch how you traded or something like that. And two, as well as being having the recording. I mean, you can just always delete them afterwards, so it doesn't take up storage on your computer. It's very, very easy to do it, and I can show you guys how to do it. If you guys want that, I can hop on and anytime show you guys. I might even include it on my course from now on, just to always protect everybody. So I've been using them for 2 years now, no issues yet. Lots of people have issues with Trade Zero. Tons of guys moved out of that platform. Record all your trades for proof. I love Trade Zero. I have the international platform. You must be the lucky one. A so-called BS. You weren't recording, then you get zero. No one records. Out of the gate, they told you you switch to options. Every broker has its downfalls. Just pick your battles. Download OBS. OBS is free. That's right. You go, buddy. You wow, awesome. At least that's something. Yeah, I appreciate it, guys. What do you record with? OBS. So OBS is what I record with. OBS. Just download OBS. It's free. And I mean, all you have to do is just create one scene, create one source, and then just click start recording. And every time you do that, it'll just record it. And then when you stop recording, it will save that video to your file explorer or your PC or whatever, and then you'll just have it as a file. But um, yeah, it's not that hard, guys. So you guys should do that, and I'll include a video of that on my course. It looks like, because now I have to. So, update. I did get 2,500 back. It's much like a car accident or robbery, etc. If you have video proof, that is your saving grades. Otherwise, it's your award versus theirs. Correct. Doesn't that take a ton of space? No, it actually does encrypt the wire. I mean, I have one PC and I am streaming from OBS. I have 4 monitors running from OBS. I am streaming to YouTube. I am streaming to Tradecaster. I have trade ideas running, and then I also have music playing. And most of the times I didn't have issues until I added a ginormous other monitor, but no issues there. But recording, if you're only recording the trades, not even streaming it, it will not take up space. You mean saving the full stream? Yeah, that will take up space, but even that, um, it's not to save the streams and you have them forever, right? It's in case something happens like this, then you actually have that money, and you can actually fight it, right? Just in case something happens, right? But if you trade today and you make $2,000 or whatever, and you're done for the day, just go back and delete the video. It won't be that hard. Just go back to your video section on your computer and just delete it, and then you'll be fine. How do you just record trades with OBS? Yeah, that's all I do. Um, so just record, and then if you don't like it, then just delete it afterwards, and then you're fine. Or it could actually help you if you want to go back and look at some trades and see how you trade it and stuff. Yeah, so Darth Trader on Tradecaster said save the videos for a week and then review your trades, learn from them, and then delete them after a week. So, if you guys want a quick little OBS little tutorial thing, I guess I can make a YouTube video of it and then show you guys. So if you want to see that, then I suggest you go do that, or I'll go do it and show you guys. With that being said, guys, I did get 2,500 bucks back. I still feel like I'm at a loss. I didn't get to trade at all today. Um, but whatever. So yeah, I'll make that YouTube video of how to record your trades because of this. So I'll do that and then show you guys. Other than that, I'm gonna head out, guys, and I will see you guys on Monday. You guys have a good weekend. I really appreciate all of you guys that actually stayed through. Obviously, you guys were curious of what would happen, but also just here to support me, guys. It's because of you and that I am recording that I was able to get some of that money back. So I really appreciate you guys. This is way later than I usually stream, so thank you guys for staying around and just and being here. Both on Tradecaster and on YouTube. So I probably will start looking for another broker because I'm not fixing to go through this again. I want to see if I can switch a broker and then try something else. I tried Lightspeed last time. I kind of want to try Lightspeed again. If I do, I might downsize my share size and just get to another platform for a week or two. So I might not have I guess could come to whatever platform I get. It might be a direct access routing platform that I'll be able to short stock. So have a great weekend, Juan. Shake this one off. Yeah, for real. I've been having a rough 2, 3 weeks. 2 weeks, I guess. I guess I still have to import $1,000 loss, which kind of hurts me a little more than all of it. So I mean, I feel like that's the right thing to do. All right, guys. I will see you guys on Monday. So you guys have a great weekend. At least it happened on Friday, because I would not be able to come back and trade tomorrow. There's just no way. There's no way. So I will see you guys on Friday. On Monday. Thank you guys for sticking around. You all have a great weekend, Zach. I hope you catch a lot of fish and send me a picture of your PB this weekend. Um, I will see you guys Monday.